marzenie, jeździłem kiedyś. Pączki, jeszcze nie zabrakło.
It's a huge pressure. The competitors next to me were faster than me, so I was like, no, 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 don't focus on the taste. Let's just eat it, whatever it is. Just let's eat it.
I pół minuty, 2,5 minuty sobie rzucili. Ja w międzyczasie z tego talerza tutaj